Now I can mount the two small breadboards on the back of the robot. They can be mounted any way we want, but one of the recommended ways to be mounted is with those two openings on the two sides, which are typically intended for them to slide into each other, to have those two openings pointing toward this screw, giving it a little bit space and allowing the two breadboards to be mounted a little bit closer to each other. So we will mount them in such a way that this opening will point toward the screw and the two breadboards will leave the two screws on the back, the two bolts on the back, available to untighten and tighten the shelf if necessary. I'll start by peeling the protective layer on this one, carefully placing it. I will not press it to glue fully yet, so we can adjust it with the second one. Peel this protective layer. Again, align the two of them as good as possible. They don't need to be perfect, but should just look neat. And now we can press the two of them to glue in place on the shelf. And here it is. We have our breadboard area at the back of the robot, where we can do prototyping and test with different sensors and modules.